Model, 2013 Volkswagen Transporter T5 T28 84 Tdi Swb spares or repairs. Great project. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 194,110. MOT, the 1st of December 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 Tdi 84 psa. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover, timing belt has snapped. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van and with a little TLC will be returned to its former glory. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.